and 12 noon. Oh no, it's already nearly 1 p.m. and I know that you might be hungry now, but we are thankful to the organizers and DTI MSMED Council, DTI family for inviting us to share the closing message for today's activity. I know, like you, we were truly inspired by the message of our DTI National MSMED Council Vice Chair Joey. This message is very strong. The only way to succeed is if we collaborate and do things together. Are we all here together? We have to make sure that we're able to avail of all the packages that was presented this morning for our MSMEs. And as the private sector representative to the National MSMED Council representing the Visayas, and also as chair of the domestic market of the National MSMED Council, I know how important it is, all the MSME services that were presented and our DTI family continues to present. And I'm happy to note that this is not only happening in NCR or in Metro Manila, but also throughout the country. In fact, I'm very happy that some representatives of our Philippine Chamber of Commerce family, our presidents and officers, are here to attend this particular event. Asensyo, Negosyo, Angat Kabuhayan, Bagong Pilipinas is more than just a theme or an event. It is a commitment. Our commitment to help uplift every entrepreneur, no matter how small, and empower them to grow and compete not only in the Philippines, but also globally. For us in the Visayas, especially in the Visayas and Mindanao, my partner over there will share her message later, we can use this caravan really to help empower our MSMEs, strengthen their digital adoption, promote sustainability, build franchising and mentorship programs as mentioned earlier by Vice Chair. And we also want to commend and thank our DTI family and all the government agencies who are one in helping bring the caravan to our MSMEs and making sure it becomes a reality. And the DTI led by our Secretary Chris Roque and the MSMED Council Secretariat who worked tirelessly to bring all the programs together. We would also like to invite our MSMEs present here and your constituents once you go home to your cities and provinces to make sure that they cap what is being offered here. The key to success is to take the first step. Find out what works and truly go for it. We're here to support you, listen to you, and work with you to build a stronger and more inclusive MSME family for all. Daghang salamat, and may this caravan bring lasting impact to your businesses and the communities that you serve. Mabuhay!